Rhythm is indeed the key to good sending. If your code is to mean anything to others in the radio net, then you've got to send rhythmically. Dits must be uniform and short. Dahs, uniform and long. Spacing exactly right. Very small, tight spaces between the dits and dahs in a character, as the operator will now demonstrate with letters that are all dits or all dahs. Each of them has a distinctive beat. There's the galloping sound. Hotel. No, it's not H. Think phonetically. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, and so on. This is hotel. And it's printed military style, by the numbers. 1 stroke down. 2 down. 3 across. We've added arrows to our lettering merely to remind you of the direction of each stroke. All right, this is hotel. 4 dits, galloping like a horse in a hurry. Did-it-a-dit, did-it-a-dit. Why the hurry? To get to the hotel.